Hey guys, let's set up Notion to ClickUp using Integrately. Super handy if you want Notion tasks to show up in ClickUp automatically. First head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. Let's get started. Search and select Notion as your first app, then choose ClickUp as your second. From the one-click automations in Integrately, pick Create ClickUp Task for New Notion Database Item and click Activate. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Next, connect your Notion account. Making sure to grant access to the correct pages. Then connect your ClickUp account and select your workspace. Now map the name of your new task using data from your Notion database and set the task priority as needed. In the Builder, configure the search task step by selecting your Team ID, Space ID, and List ID from the drop-down options. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, every new Notion database item will automatically create a ClickUp task through Integrately. And that's done. Notion to ClickUp live with Integrately. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and grab the link in the description if you want to try it too.